Here is my Flight Vanguard Electric Tenor, and I haven't restrung it since I bought it over 12 months ago. So it's time for a restring, and I've also been having some intonation issues, particularly around these first few frets. I don't like playing around those first 3-4 frets. Doesn't sound great. I don't have that problem when I'm playing up the neck. It's fine, but when I start to strum down here, doesn't sound so great. I notice in particular the open A. I'm going to check the tuning again. So that's in tune. That's in tune. So it's holding. Held its tune. That A chord didn't sound in tune at all. I happen to find these strings hanging around the house. Electric guitar strings, which happen to be exactly the same gauge that Flight recommends. That'll be my A string, that'll be my E string, that'll be my C string, and that'll be the low G. Let's do the restring. Clean the frets, put on the new strings. I'm going to play a couple of songs and I'll check the tuning again. I'm using the Spark 2 Positive Grid amp, which I really like, which is attached to this app here, and you can get all different presets. But I pretty much keep it on this thing called Cozy Serenade. I've made some different ones. Jazz, Uke, Clarity, this one's called. The tuning app I use is called Key Tuner, so you can get it very accurate in this section here. The problem I was having was around the open chords down here, the A in particular. Still doesn't sound 100%. And B flat major 7. Sounds okay. Let me check the harmonic. That's in tune. So let me know if you've had any issues with intonation with your electric ukuleles. I'd just be interested to know.